Hello, one and all. My name is Vikrant Katekar. I am the project coordinator of Seed Center of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. My regards to everyone. Today, I will be presenting a poster on the various activities which were conducted under the Seed Center. Our Seed Center works under the flagship leadership of Dr. Anand Rao, he is scientific director, Dr. Srinivas, he is a scientific advisor, and Dr. Santosh Harpure, he is another scientific advisor of our seed center. Regarding our activities, the first activity which was conducted in the month of November last year, which was the mega activity, and it was a annual seed symposium, which was in the month of in November 2022. There were total 75 delegates, and the basic goal behind arranging this symposium was a building and enhancing the relation among the seed centers and initiating and further developing the collaborative seed agenda, including teaching and research. Here in the first part, you can see a group picture, and below that, there are pictures of individual sessions. So the in this during the symposium we have sessions from many learned experts and research scholars from almost all partner universities. In addition, we have a visit to our living labs where all participants got the exposure of on-field work did by our seed center. Then second very important project which was conducted in the living laboratory is the development of prototype model for water wheel to generate the electricity, particularly in hilly area. The water is available at good head, and that potential energy of water can be converted into the kinetic energy, and then kinetic energy can be converted into electrical energy. For that we need a small rotating machine called as a turbine, or it is also called as the water wheel. So there was one PhD student from TUM whose name was Michael, and along with the Michael we have three students from our seed center who helped him to design and fabricate the water wheel. Here you can observe the individual photograph of water wheel, and this is a team which worked on that. The third flagship activity of seed center is a summer internship program. So we spread the advertisement of summer internship program all across the country. More than 200 applications we have received, Based on their SOPs, initial scrutiny were done, and then finally almost 15 people were selected for the interview, and after the interview, four students were finally absorbed for the 2 months internship, which was conducted at our living lab, Vigyan Ashram, Pabal. What were the goals of this internship program? The first one is to expose the student to social and economic realities of rural life and make them aware with the actual problems of Indian villages. Number two is internship also seek to educate the students on how community, how committed NGOs work to assist such disadvantaged communities. So we have different tracks for internship program. First track was an investigation of gasifier and wood chipper machine. Second track was an evaluation of electric vehicle utilization in rural areas, issues and solutions. Third one is production of biogas from food and agro waste. And fourth one is polyhouse automation for control. All the four students were successfully completed their 2 months internship program. They have also submitted the report. We have given them all kinds of facilities, infrastructural facilities, also the other allowances, just like travel and other, so that they can do the work to their highest efficiency. Seed Center at IIT Bombay also started the student founder initiative. Mr. Shailesh Mishra was selected after a rigorous selection process, and now he formed the his team of 10 members to start non-profit organization. They have defined their objectives and they started also. The name of their NGO or NPO is TUM Environment, and they have developed very good logo for their activity. Entrepreneurship is a very important dimension of every living lab. So under this living lab, we also developed in past year one small technology which will provide a supplementary income generation for the farmers in the rural areas. A distiller was designed, tested, and disseminated to one self-help group in Wardha, which works on the principle of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and they use our distiller to make different kinds of local products like rose water, rose petal jams, and many more. Thereby, they are now earning good money for their activities. The another activity was a training to rural youth. So we have prepared 10 rural youths to operate, repair, and maintain a biogas and the biomass gasifier so that they are able to work on them efficiently and there is no need to call any person from outside and spend rupees on them. And the last recent activity which Seed Center conducted is the celebration of World Entrepreneurship Day, which was on August 21st. On this occasion, we conducted a quiz competition for students. The basic objective of this quiz competition was to sensitize the student about sustainable entrepreneurship. So these all are our activities we have conducted in the last year. I am thankful to Seed Center project director and advisors and all volunteers who work in all those activities. Thank you very much.